Hello.
Hello,
How are you today?
I'm good.
Please, can you introduce yourself?
My, my name is.
How old are you?
I'm 7 years old.
Where are you from?
I'm from Đà Nẵng City, Vietnam.
Great. What color do you like?
I like red.
What animal do you like?
I like tiger.
Okay, what food?
I like cookie.
Me too. Okay, what's this?
Ant.
Yes,
Boy.
yes,
Cap.
yes,
Dog.
yes,
Elephant.
yes,
Food.
yes,
Girl.
yes.
Hop.
Very good.
Insect.
Yes,
Ink.
yes,
Jump.
yes,
Juice.
yes,
Kick.
yes,
Catch.
yes,
Love.
yes.
Live.
Very good. Who's this?
Family.
Yeah, who's this?
Grandfather.
Yes.
Grandmother. Father.
Yes.
Mother.
Yes.
Sister.
Yes.
Brother.
Very good. Ah, colors.
Yellow.
Yes.
Blue.
Yes.
Orange.
Yes.
Green.
Yes.
Black.
Yes.
Red.
Yes.
Pink.
Yes.
White.
Yes.
Purple.
Yes.
Brown.
Very good. Ah, what's this?
Pink flower.
Yes.
Yellow flower.
Yes.
Red flower.
Yes.
White flower.
Very good. Ah, numbers, okay?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Very, very good. Ah, my body. What's this?
It's a head.
Yes.
It's a leg.
Yes.
It's a mouth.
Yes.
It's a nose.
Very good.
It's an eye.
Very good.
It's an ear.
Very good.
It's an arm.
Yes, it is. Ah, my teddy bear. Stop. Okay, thank you. That's the end. Tell me about the teddy bear, please.
My teddy bear has 2 eyes, 2 ears, 1 mouth, 1 nose, 2 arms, 2 legs.
What color is he? What color?
Brown.
Yes, he is. Okay, animals. What animal is this?
Cat.
Yes.
Dog.
Yes.
Bird.
Yes.
Monkey.
Yes.
Snake.
Yes.
Bear.
Very good. Oh, activities. What can you do?
I can run.
Yes.
I can swim.
Yes.
I can sing.
Yes.
I can hop.
Yes.
I can jump.
Very good. Yes. Food. What do you want?
I want a banana.
Yes.
I want a cookie.
Yes.
I want a sandwich.
Very, very good. Oh, toys. What do you have?
It's
I.
have a ball.
Yes.
I have a car.
Yes.
I have a teddy bear.
Very good. School things. Okay, what's this?
It's a book.
Yes.
It's a pencil.
Yes.
It's a bat.
Yes.
It's a ruler.
Yes.
It's a
Eraser.
Eraser.
Very good. That's right. My house.
My
Okay.
house.
What's this?
living room.
Yes.
Bedroom.
Yes.
Kitchen.
Very good. Oh, can you talk about the picture, please?
I sleep in the bedroom. I cook in the kitchen.
Yes, you do.
I watch TV in the living room.
Yes, you do. Thank you very much. That's the end. Very, very good. Bye-bye.
Goodbye.